So over here, you can see that I got many chat results right here. And let's say what I actually want to do is I want to go ahead and share out the chats with others. So one of the ways that you can do it is copy out the chat right here and share it out with others. But what you can also do is you can share out a particular link. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here onto this particular chat, and if I want to share it, I can go to more right here, and then I can go ahead and click on share. And now it gives you an important message right here. It says messages you send after creating your link won't be shared, meaning only the result that you see till here are actually shared. If you were to communicate to Qwen again in this particular chat, then that won't be shared. So let me just go ahead and copy out the link, and now you can share it out with others. Let's say, for example, in incognito window, let me just paste out that particular chat link right here and press enter. Once you do that, you can see that this is what you have right here. This is what you have, and then these are the chats right here, just like this, that has been shared to others. So this is how you can go ahead and share out your chat with others inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.